Okay, now when we installed the WordPress, let's start actual coding. First, let's prepare our WordPress theme. Open Laragon and just click on root and find portfolio, open it, go to WP content, themes, and create a new folder and call it portfolio. And now let's open it with a code editor. And let's first let's copy our portfolio HTML files, copy everything and just paste it inside it. And let's go back. Let's also add a screenshot.png, paste it here. And then let's open our code editor, add a new file called style.css and index.php. These are required files. And also let's add functions.php. In order to enable our theme, we need to add few lines in our style.css. We need to add theme name, theme URL, description, and version, and so on. And let's save it. And let's refresh our website. Go to Themes, Portfolio, Site, and click Activate. And let's see what we have now. We have a blank page for now. Let's also go to Pages and add page. Let's call it Portfolio. Publish it and go back to the WordPress admin. Go to the settings, permalinks, and change to post name. Save it. I go to then go to reading. Choose a static page, home page, portfolio. Save changes. And let's see what we have. For now, nothing. Now let's also add a front page. The front page we will use for home page. Let's add a new file called front-page.php and save it. And let's add just, for example, h1 and say hello. Save it and let's see. We have hello. But in order so we don't need to reload every time we made a change. We need to enable live server. Here, go to live, click to run live server, and just close it, and click here to copy our portfolio website link, and install extension for your in your Chrome web Chrome. Add link here and live server address, and click apply and close it. Now just reload one time and go to again in our front page, and let's add few letters and press Ctrl S, and as you can see, website automatically reloads.